the John Deere solutions, you guys have started to see some great success with the John Deere precision upgrade kits in the world of planting and seeding. Tell us a little bit about how John Deere offering these precision upgrade kits has opened the door for some of your growers in Australia.
The John Deere upgrade kits, or pucks as John Deere call them, has just been a huge benefit for us, a huge game changer. Really lucky to have those kits available. I really think that they're really reasonably priced. And I guess it gives us the flexibility of either A, just retrofitting a customer up to the latest and greatest technology in electric drive and seed start 4 technology. So that could be just a simple 12-row customer or an 8-row customer on 1 metre spacing. Taking it to the next level, as we have to in Australia, we always seem to push the boundaries. We've got some of those kits now out on 1.5 metres, so some really nice 8-row stack fold gear on 1.5 metre spacings, looking like they were from the John Deere factory. They're looking really smick. And we've got even a couple running around on 2-metre row spacings. Very, very good, very reliable, and we seem to be getting some really good service life out of those kits. They are a bit daunting when the customers get them. I think there's, up to 20 pallets of equipment. There's a lot to wade through there, but once the guys get into it, they can really see that it's coming together. And, we've had some good feedback from those machines in the field and been very lucky with that. And I guess coming with the pucks is probably the liquid type application, so the exact rate and exact shot. We're seeing that as a bit of a feature here in Australia. Exact rate, I guess, as it says, obviously that continuous application of liquid down the row and the ability to have that shut off as the machine crosses over a headland or something. Exact shot, I think our first machine's here in Australia at the moment, and that'll be available soon. And they're talking huge chemical savings. I think that's a real game changer. And for us here in Australia, we just reduce our inputs, whether that be seed, fertiliser, maybe some man hours or some fuel. We've really got to get into that. I guess that sort of ties into autonomy and operations centre and all of those things. We're really getting some really good records and history of what's happening with our product in the field, for sure.